Alright guys, Razor here. Today we're gonna play modded APK Subway Surfers. Now I know it's not the Japan one that's out like right now, but this is what we're gonna be playing. Sorry for the volume. I always get that wrong. The volume's too loud, it'll mess up the video, but see, it says update the app. See, I don't like to do that because I like modded games. I'm pretty much hacker. See, it says 9 whatever. I don't even know what that is. We got some fat cans over here. Just gonna use this. We're gonna see how far we can go. Gotta pay the perk. Some coins. Not really good at this game, so don't judge me. Do not judge me. I swear to God. I understand the bad. I'm just gonna go into the bad. Because that's how these endless runner games, that's how I do these endless runner games. There's no fencing going on forever because I have unlimited keys. Oh, good for you, Razor. Unlimited keys. That's what you guys would say. Exactly. Probably tell me I'm a cheater. Who cares? I don't care if I cheat. Yeah. See, I'm the best. Not good. I'm horrible at this game. No! Okay, sorry. I said I was gonna go until I stop, or when I die, but yeah, I'm horrible, as you can see, even with a modded. Chico, get out of my nachos. Yeah, I'm eating nachos right now. Because I'm the best. Just kidding. Yeah, this game is really confusing me right now, talking and playing this, because it's hurting my brain. No, I should not stop. Well, I died. So that was the modded review of Subway Surfers London. It took me a long time to get this modded. I had to go through so many websites that aren't harmful, because a lot of them were like trying to put viruses on my phone and stuff. But I got 98. I think that's million. Don't know. 9 million. Yeah, I got double coins that I didn't even have to buy it. Well, comment, rate, subscribe, do whatever you feel like. Razor is out.